Gooten Pro Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Gooten Pro and related resources can be found in the description below. Gooten Pro is an advanced tier of the Gooten print-on-demand platform, designed for e-commerce entrepreneurs aiming to scale their product offerings and benefit from higher-level support and customization. One of the key features of Gooten Pro is its access to a broader catalog of items, from apparel and accessories to home decor, giving merchants the flexibility to diversify their stores without managing any inventory. In addition, Gooten Pro users get priority support and dedicated account management, ensuring smoother operations and faster resolutions to any technical or supplier-related issues. The platform integrates seamlessly with major e-commerce solutions like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, automating everything from product imports and real-time inventory updates to order routing. This automation significantly cuts down the time and effort required to manage product listings, shipping, and fulfillment logistics. Regarding strengths, Gooten Pro emphasizes reliable manufacturing and supply chain relationships, which often translates to consistent print quality and prompt delivery. Many Pro users report better margin opportunities and faster fulfillment times compared to basic print-on-demand services. Gooten's advanced analytics provide insights into order trends and shipping performance, allowing merchants to optimize product selection and pricing strategy. Furthermore, Gooten Pro's focus on white-label branding, customizable packaging, and other brand-forward perks can give sellers a more professional edge. The presence of dedicated account managers means growing businesses can access strategic advice, whether it's about marketing, design updates, or scaling into new product lines. However, there are some weaknesses to be aware of. Gooten Pro's higher subscription fees or volume requirements might be challenging for newcomers or lower volume sellers. While Gooten does have global production partners, shipping times and costs can still vary, particularly for overseas orders, so transparent customer communication remains essential. Additionally, although Gooten's product lineup is substantial, extremely niche or specialized items may be limited, requiring merchants to partner with additional providers if they have a very unique concept in mind. Finally, while the platform's automation cuts down on manual work, any technical glitches with inventory syncing or order routing can lead to unsatisfied customers, so it's important to monitor store integrations regularly. Overall, Gooten Pro is a compelling choice for store owners who need a dependable, scalable print-on-demand and dropshipping solution. With benefits like dedicated support, expanded product options, and a refined manufacturing network. If your store is generating consistent sales and you're ready to invest in a premium level of service, Gooten Pro can be an excellent partner for long-term brand building.